Hi, welcome back. Today we'll show you how we have done a makeover of our kitchen, and we have added new LED lights under the cabinets, and which looks really good, which has actually enhanced the look of our kitchen. So we'll tell you how we did it. So these are the LED strip lights. It actually costed us, these are the ones. This, so this is how the strip looks. So these are actually about $2 for the whole roll, and we needed about 10 feet, and we still have left over from the first roll, so it should be about $2 or less than $5 actually. So these are pretty cheap and nice makeovers, and it gives a real nice look of the kitchen. So for here, and how did you do the power outlet?
Okay, for this, all I had to do was stick the LED lights here, and of course, I had to cut them. So, I took the measurement of this cabinet here and cut them to size, and after that, I had to connect a DC power supply to a 12 volts DC supply, and we have an outlet right behind the microwave oven. So the adapter actually so the wiring comes out, so I had to drill here. So I made a drill, and then there's a DC 12 volts power supply here, and also there's some wiring going on behind the cabinet to connect to this section here. So I have the wiring here, and I took measurements and stuck the LED lights.
You stuck it with hot glue?
I used hot glue, and there was some adhesive available here in the strip, but it was not sticking
But I
well.
remember the adhesive was not really good, right?
Yeah.
So you had to use some.
Yeah,
The
so I
hot
had to
glue.
use the hot glue because the adhesive was not effective. So that's the reason why I used hot glue, and then that kind of worked well. And if you come out here, you won't even see the wiring and all that. So it looks pretty neat. And this unit here, if you see, there's a big window, and so this is kind of a
So no way
detached.
that you could get it
Yeah.
along with the same wiring, right? So you had to do one differently.
Right. So here, if you see, because of the window, I couldn't get the wiring. Even if I could get it, would not good look. It will not look good. So what I did here was different. So I mean, it's basically the same idea. So I stuck all the LED strip, and after that, I did the similar wiring, and where I go. I placed the DC power adapter inside the cabinet, and then I had to drill a hole here for the electrical wire to actually pass through, and this is where I have my the adapter placed. And if you see, I have an electrical extension cord, and so right here, if you see, what I have is I have a smart switch. So now the whole unit, there's two smart switches. There's one here, and there's one right behind the microwave oven, and it's all connected through. We use Google Assist, and I can control this through my phone or through Google Assist.
Okay, so this is how the kitchen looks after we did the lights, and with all the kitchen lights, they did just come out very well. And so it's pretty much, if you see, it matches with our light on the top, I think it's the yellow light, the daylight, right?
Yeah, I think it's daylight.
Yeah, so it's pretty much the daylight and it looks really good now. And a simple makeover in less than $5. It's easy and it's DIY. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you all liked it.